Hey, hi, hello everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over my thrift haul for the fall 2020 season, and I am so excited to share that with you guys. Now, before we get into my haul, I want to talk about my kind of style a little bit, so that way you know what kind of clothing items that you're going to see coming up next. I am a big minimalist, timeless, classic wardrobe. I used to be pretty boho, and then I switched that up because I wanted to cut down my clothing to very minimal. I would not say that I am minimalistic, but all of my clothing is very neutral and I can wear with every other piece of clothing in my wardrobe. So let's get to it and let me show you what I picked up. Alright guys, so first we're going to start with this muted brown sweater. It's a mock neck and I just love the way that it fit. I believe this sweater was under $5. Can you believe that? This one is a sleeveless turtleneck. It's khaki. I just love it so much. It actually had the original price tags on it. You can see it as I'm turning a little bit. And so I just love it. I may lose you guys on this one, but this one is a gray sleeveless timeless tank and I just loved it. Such a soft material. So this next one I might lose you guys again, but these are army green. They were a size 16, so they were a little bit bigger. You can see they came with a belt, but clearly I did not belt them correctly. They fit perfectly. I do not need to hem them, and I will probably wear them with this turtleneck. Okay. So this top has to be my favorite top that I've gotten. If you know anything about me, you know that I am the biggest tomboy. I don't think I've ever been anything other than that. But this top was a large, so definitely check other sizes that aren't yours, because oversized is really big right now. These pants have probably been passed up 100 times by different people, but I love the way that they match this timeless sleeveless tank. Definitely perfect for a classic look, and I'm gonna wear it to church. I'm not even gonna lie. They are vintage and tailored, size 10. I think I paid $7. Okay guys, now I'm moving on to jeans. Jeans are kind of a little different for me because I got one pair from the men's section that actually was women. So like I said, definitely check different sections that aren't your sizes or even the category you think that you're gonna check. And then the other one is a men's jeans, and so I'm gonna see if they fit. If they don't, I'm gonna alter them, and then if they really don't fit, then I'm gonna cut them into shorts. So let's go. These are the ones I found in the men's section. They're Tommy Hilfiger, and they fit me pretty well. The only issue is that they're bell bottom, but I think I can put a little stitch in the hem and make them straight leg. So now I'm gonna show you two pairs of shoes that I got, and I am just in love with them. The first pair is these like khaki American Eagle. They're just basic. They're supposed to be kids, but they are like not even used. I love them, and they were only $4. So these will be great during the fall or just the transitional season. My next pair of shoes is, and I'm obsessed with boots. It is what it is. I have tried to cut these out of my wardrobe many times and I just keep buying them. So if you love these shoes, I have bought several different pairs in different colors at thrift stores across the city. So be on the lookout. But my favorite shoes are these mock riding boots. look at the color of these bad boys. I love them. They are H&M. They are like not even worn. They're not even worn. And so, yeah, I just love them. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment below what your favorite ways to shop sustainably. In the making of this YouTube video, I have come to find out a couple of things about myself. One, my accent is a lot worse than I thought it is. Like a lot. And two, I love to talk with my hands. I just don't know what to do with them. So if you're still watching, thank you so much. And I promise to figure out what to do with my hands in the next video.